thought our home was safe. The everyday products that we had under our sink and in our bathroom, even our laundry room, were quietly harming our family. The scary part is that most people don't realize this is happening right under their noses. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for, what to swap, and how to make your home a safer place without the stress or the confusion. Stay with me because you're going to be really surprised at how simple these swaps really can be. In the next several minutes, I'm going to show you the everyday household items most people overlook that can be harmful, small steps that make a big difference in health and safety, and how we made our home safer and healthier without completely overhauling everything. And at the end, I'll tell you about the exact resource we used to get started, easy to follow, and helped us make these changes with confidence. It all started when I hit my late 30s and I felt tired and unmotivated and undisciplined. And I started to think, is this just what aging is? But I refused to buy into that narrative. Instead of going to see the doctor, I decided that I should take a closer look at what's in my environment. What's in my home? What is causing me to feel this way when I've never felt like this before? I started looking closer at the products that we used in our home every single day. And what I found shocked me. Some products contained chemicals that I couldn't even pronounce, and all the research showed that it could really affect our family's health. If you think your home is already safe, watch closely, because this might surprise you. Here's the tricky part. Just because a product says natural doesn't mean that it's safe. Many products on store shelves contain harsh chemicals, even if the marketing says otherwise. That's why it's so easy to believe that your home is fine, when in reality, small everyday exposures really do add up over time. I'll show you which products we swapped first and the changes that you can make today. Once we knew what to look for, making the switch was easier than we expected. We didn't have to throw everything out or spend a fortune. Here's the key swaps that we made first. Cleaning products, replace them with safer alternatives. Personal care, switched our toothpaste, shampoo, and deodorant. Laundry, safer, non-toxic, affordable. These small swaps made our home safer immediately and gave us peace of mind knowing that we were taking care of our family. And the best part, you don't have to overhaul your whole house to start seeing the difference. When we wanted to learn more about safer home products, we found a really simple overview that explained everything, what to swap, why it matters, and how to get started without feeling overwhelmed. We put a link in the description if you want to check it out. No pressure, just information. It's exactly how we started making changes in our home. Making your home safer doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. Even a few changes, one swap at a time, can make a huge difference for your family. If you've ever been worried about what's in your home and how it affects the people you love, this is the perfect place to start. Now for the best part of the video. Troy and I want to hear from you. If making safer swaps in your home is something that really resonates with you, please drop it in the comments, type the word safe. We would love to hear from you. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that like button. Remember, you don't have to do it all at once. One step at a time, little by little. And as you do, you'll notice your peace of mind and confidence grow. If you're ready to take the first step, check the link in the description. It's the same one we use to start making our home safer. Stay on your path. Ma'am, I'm gonna need that. Hi,